abantu asayihlalani phansi ke sanihlalani phansi yethu ndiyambona uThabo Bester ne no Nanpha but uMel no Pete Viljoen just banalento kuthiwa abantu aseyi-gangster love and ke ngoku whatever they do they make sure they protect each other ndiyaqonda and ndithi mos kukho laa nto yobana babhaqwa ngapha eAmerica bona bebesiba igrosari baskene into yo-2 cents gqobe bakhupha into yo-200 so ke ngoku kukho i-body cam footage elikhishiweyo I think iku-News 24 yaqonda so le body cam footage ibonisa i-interview between uMel and the officer or the cop from the United States bandase uyabuzwa uMel into yobana beniyenza njani lento uthi ntoni beniyenza njani lento yoba niskene into yo-2 cents niphume into yo-200 athi uthetha ngantoni kuthiwa yefondini beniskena kaloku nina niphume negrosari kwathi what Mel ni I was the one that was shopping not my husband but kuthiwa okay but your husband nguye ophume niyabonakala kwicamera you and your husband kwathi wathi yeah but I was the one shopping kuthiwa your husband yakho mos nguye ophume netroli mntase so what do you mean athi no uphume netroli because ebecima nibhatele asomnye ebecima ubhatele kanjani because ubungena sleep athi yo hayi interesting question because nam ndiyazibuza inoba becinge ntoni but uyayazi like you know abaxoki man yabona uPete Viljoen noMel banalaa nto bantu asukuthiwa i-gangster love and iwari yami into yokubana bazophelela ejele bobabini because no what Mel was trying to do there she was trying to save uPete so that uPete azokwazi into yobana amkhuphe ejele which makes sense bandase because even uphula life yemiguyo uba ngumgulukudu at least omnye kufuneka abe ngaphandle walo omnye ngaphakathi so that lungaphandle azokwazi ukhupha lungaphakathi so uMel wayicalculator wakhawuleza wathi ngqondo fika wathi damn it I must take the fall for this one so that i-husband yam izokwazi unikhupha elela ke mnake njengobana ngoku uPete ebanjiwe apha eSouth Africa uMel lento engaphandle yena uMel uzama zonke inzame zokhupha umuntu wakhe pha zokhupha umuntu wakhe bandase nilifumana pho lunje uthando ayililoli ya lithi no ndikuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke kwathi na elilithi ndiza kubhanta intela sweetheart ndiza kubhanta intela my loving you
was scanned for this and it wasn't supposed to be. I don't know how it works. I don't do these types of things, right? So I'm just trying to figure out how it actually works. So that way when they ask me on the stand, oh, how does it work? I can explain it to you.
I'm not sure what you're referring to.
I'm asking how do you scan these items? How do you scan these 70 cent items for $16.99 items? That's what I'm asking.
I'm not sure what you're asking.
Okay, so let me just put it like this. You guys are on camera, basically scanning a seasoning packet, right? Like a gravy packet.
It was me shopping. It wasn't my husband.
Okay. You were on camera. Let's just, because you both are on camera. Let's just take the semantics out of it, right? You both are on camera, but you may be scanning a gravy packet for some San Pellegrino, because I see that you guys love San Pellegrino. You like sparkling water.
Maybe there's a misunderstanding.
What do you think the misunderstanding is?
I'm not sure yet. You have to give me more information.
Okay, I'm trying. So instead of you buying your San Pellegrino for $23.99, you're getting your San Pellegrino for 79 cents, right? And that's how you're coming out with such a big cart for $150, right? Or sometimes your cart doesn't work and Pete walks out with the groceries. Does that sound familiar?
Oh, shame. You didn't know. He thought I was shopping.
He thought you were shopping?
I'm sure.
Okay, but he knows that the stuff wasn't paid for, so why would he walk out without it being paid for?
He knew it wasn't paid for?
Yeah, if you don't come to him with a receipt, or why would he walk out before the stuff is paid for?
He probably thought it was paid for.
Well, why would he think it was paid for if it wasn't?
It's an interesting question.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
I know that this was